Stay with the courts now. The accused in the Thabo Bester's prison escape saga will be back in the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein on the 19th of September for a final case management hearing. The hearing will determine whether all parties involved are ready for trial. The trial itself has been set for the 10th of November until the 27th of March next year. Here's SABC News reporter Kamogelo Seekoei with more for us.
So the pre-trial hearing into the Thabo Bester escape saga has just concluded here at the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein, where the matter has actually been postponed to the 19th of September, where another case management hearing will take place before the trial commences on the 10th of November. We saw here today inside the court that all of the accused, except for Dr. Magudumana and Thabo Bester, have taken legal aid, including Dr. Magudumana's father, Zolile Seekoei, who had previously taken private legal representation. But I just want to bring in at this point Dikeledi Sinakomu, who is a legal analyst, just to help us unpack some of the happenings that took place here in the court today. Thabo Bester's lawyer has also indicated to the court that he has not received any payment from his client. Is there a likelihood of seeing Thabo Bester ultimately taking legal aid as well, seeing that all the accused except him and Dr. Magudumana are now represented by legal aid?
Basically, when you check that this is going to be another delay unnecessary based on the Thabo Bester case. If we check that the attorney came to the court and said that he has not been finished with the legal fees yet, and the judge has explained to the attorney that if it's not ready, it's not the matter for the court. He has to make sure that his client pays him before he comes to court. He did consulted with his client, and we heard that the attorney of Mr. Bester has assured that the payment will be done. But we anticipate that if the funds has not yet been paid by now, remember the matter was postponed long time ago, for the attorney to organize his administrations to be in order for him to come to court. And we find that if we remember the previous attorneys also, they have a serious problem based on the finishing of the funds. Now we realize that we anticipate that we might see Mr. Bester at the end of the day will opt for legal aid representative like the other accused that's appointed legal aid for today.
The fact that all the accused, except for the two that we've already mentioned, are now, or rather have approached legal aid to represent them, is that an indication of the fact that, people are running out of funds?
Yes, it is. Remember, this is an expensive case. It has the attorneys, it has the advocates, it has so many documents and evidence that has to be presented. We even heard today that the advocate of NPA, Ms. Bester, she explained that there are so many other documents that has not been collected by the attorneys of the accused because they have to pay first the NPA before they get those documents. So it shows that there's going to be a lot of a struggle based on the finances of the accused. And remember that we heard that today the father of Nandipa highlighted as well that the funds are not yet been done. And the matter, if we recall, it's been postponed for September for the administrative of it, because he still have to go today because the application for legal aid is been dismissed for legal representative of the father of Nandipa, and he appealed that decision. So he raised that today, and he stated that he's going to meet with the legal representative of legal aid today before he go home and try to organize their administration of whether he'll be will be granted for him to be given a legal aid attorney or not.